Welcome. This video is about getting Claude Code 100% free forever. Traditional AI agents often face friction, such as GPU memory exhaustion or massive subscription costs. You don't need a supercomputer or a massive budget for this method. The solution is to bypass local hardware and connect directly to cloud models. This results in zero friction and zero GPU required. Cloud routing offers a superior solution compared to local hardware or premium subscriptions. It requires no upfront cost or needed hardware and provides an unlimited model selection. To get started, you must first generate your access key. Create a free routing account, navigate to API settings, and generate and securely store your key. You have two configuration pathways: global setup, which covers the entire machine using .bashrc or .zshrc, and project level setup, which is for a single workspace using .settings.local.json. For a global setup, you will export the API key, base URL, and auth token. It is crucial to explicitly set the Anthropic _API _key to empty to prevent cache conflicts. The project level setup uses a settings.local.json file, scoping the configuration directly to your project without altering system variables. The four crucial variables are the OpenRouter _API _key for authentication, Anthropic _base _URL to redirect the agent, Anthropic _auth _token to pass your key, and Anthropic _API key as an override to kill default connections. The auto-router automatically selects a random free model that supports tool calling and structured outputs. Set the model to router/free to utilize this feature. Usage data shows that mid-tier models offer the best efficiency for programming tasks. You can lock in a specific model by adding Anthropic _model to your config. The mid-tier cloud router dramatically reduces costs to under $2 per 1 million combined input/output tokens, allowing you to run deep coding sessions without financial drain. Once configured, initialize the session and verify the rerouted connection. The base URL will show the router URL, confirming the verified connection. With this setup complete, you can use prompts to achieve autonomous planning, file creation, and structural styling in seconds, unlocking your data potential. The true ROI includes no monthly lock-ins, complete model flexibility, and sub-dollar coding sessions, as seen in the activity log with minimal costs per request.